Shark CryoGlow, the cooling LED mask that actually erases eye bags in minutes.
Ever wake up looking like you lost a fight with a pillow? Bags under your eyes, dull skin screaming for help, and your current routine just laughs at you? Yeah, we've all been there. Staring in the mirror, wondering if glowy skin is just a filter fantasy. Drop me in the comments if you're tired of feeling like your face is betraying you.
Now imagine rushing through another chaotic morning, makeup sliding off red spots, concealer caking into tired lines, while deadlines loom and burnout whispers your name. What if, instead of adding another 10-step routine, you could slap on one device and actually take back control? Without the stress, without the chaos, just pure rebellious glow.
Enter Shark CryoGlow, the LED mask that said, "Hold my cold plate," and changed everything. We're talking clinical-grade red plus infrared that plumps fine lines in 6 minutes flat, blue light that murders acne without chemicals in 8, and then bam! Insta-chill cryo-cooling hits your under eyes like an ice-cold margarita on a hangover morning. One busy mom told me she threw on the under eye revive mode before his Zoom call, and her boss asked if she got fillers. Another creator said her hormonal jawline breakouts went from raging to barely there in 2 weeks. Picture this. You're lying there, eyes open, yes, really, scrolling tic-tac while the mask quietly erases yesterday's bad decisions. The best part? There's a secret combo trick using the remote that makes the cooling hit harder. Stick around to the end and I'll spill it. Comment "spill" if you want it early.
So what actually happens when you use it daily? Skin gets stupidly firm, pores shrink like they're scared, and your under eyes go from sad raisins to just came from vacation. A dermatologist I know said verbatim, "The localized cryotherapy plus multi-wavelength LEDs is the closest thing to an in-office treatment I've seen at home." A beauty editor called it the most robust mask build quality outside of $1,000 devices. Over 60,000 people are now obsessed. Comment sections are filled with "my boyfriend stole it" and "I canceled my facial appointments." One user said she used to ice roll plus LED mask separately every morning. Now she just throws on CryoGlow while drinking coffee and her makeup sits like glass. The glow isn't just visible. It's cocky, like your skin knows it looks better than everyone else in the room. Which feature would save your life right now? The acne-zapping blue, the wrinkle-eating red, or that sinful under-eye chill? Tell me below. I'm reading every single comment.
Limited drops keep selling out because once people try the Insta-Chill, they refuse to live without it. Join the thousands who've already ditched mediocre skin days forever. Click the link, grab yours, and unlock the secret remote trick that makes the cooling absolutely nuclear. Yes, it's that good. Don't just watch others glow up. Comment "glow" right now and go steal the best skin of your life. Your future face is literally begging you not to sleep on this.